respected friend, President, KEA Bokal Jonal Committee, Mr. Kamsing Hanse, respected friend, Mr. Devisor Singh, Finance Secretary, KEA Bokal Jonal Committee, respected friend, Srimati Promila Chitti, Central Committee Member, Kargil Police Association, respected friend, Srimati Rangmiran Sepi, Member, KEA Bokal Jonal Committee, and our beloved leader as well as apex body of Karbi language, Mr. Kamsing Hanse, President Karbi Lametame, and respected media persons. First of all, I on behalf of Karbi Employees Association Bokal Jonal Committee as well as Karbi Employees Association Central Committee extend my heartfelt gratitude to all of you for your kind participation and cooperation. As we know that the Karbi Employees Association Bokal Jonal Committee has organized a very special program on 19th of May 2024 for organizing a felicitation program to the successful students of SSLC as well as higher secondary final exams in 2024. Especially the KEA Bokal Jonal Committee has planned to felicitate the successful students covering Greater Langkawi MSc constituency, and besides that, the adjoining areas of Langkawi constituencies, which is very near MSc constituency, Singhasan constituency, as well as Colony MSc constituency and Haurahat MSc constituency. And besides that, the students, those who are studying out of Karbi Anglong district and their residences are in Langkawi MSc constituency, we are going to felicitate for them also. Therefore, we the organizing committee, especially KEA Karbi Employees Association Bokal Jonal Committee, wants to encourage the successful student in SSLC as well as in higher secondary final 2024, so that our students may create more good results in the coming days when they are pursuing in their higher classes. We know very well that we the Karbi students are very lagging behind in studies in comparison to other students. But just a token of love and encouragement to the successful students and those who are pursuing metric, that is those who are pursuing class 10 this year, we want to encourage them, and they should also follow the examples that the students have already been successful in the SSLC final exam and HS final exam in 2024. And we have nothing. We have no extra agenda for organizing this felicitation program, but the main theme for organizing such a precious program is that to encourage and to promote the atmosphere of education in Langkawi constituency in general and entire Karbi Anglong as well as West Karbi Anglong in general. So those citizens, those stakeholders who have contributed for making the successful of tomorrow's, that is 19th May 2024 program, We, on behalf of the organizing committee, extend our acknowledgement to all the well-wishers who have contributed generously for making the success of tomorrow's felicitation program, and besides that, we invited as a guest from the Caribbean Police Association Central Committee, and we are very hopeful that our guests from Caribbean Police Association Central Committee will also participate in tomorrow's program. And besides that, the successful students, those who may get the invitation letter in time or not, that is not the question. But as a general appeal to all the students concerned, especially the successful students of HSLC and higher secondary, they should come forward to receive their felicitation at United Caribbean Club, Bukuria, on 19th May 2024. And besides that, the employees, especially Caribbean employees who are residing in Nagara MC constituency, are also kindly requested to be present during the felicitation program. And with this, our today's press meet is from on behalf of the Caribbean Police Association, is over.